Hello guys, welcome to our channel. What is this? Please subscribe
I
us.
was always wondering that how one piece of wood can convert into this book stand.
Yes, I always
And
think how is it possible to
this
make this kind of
one
holy book stand. This is very amazing technique. These are the tools
once upon a
used in.
time when I was a very young age, I saw my grandfather was making this one piece wood stand.
Yes, now we are have started this thing now with
You
the thin so we are cutting this wood.
this one piece uh, plain wood, first we will clear and plan this its surface and make it square.
Yes. The it is required very
It's a very
technical
hard work
skills.
and it's some carpentry tools are must.
This is planner for wood planning.
Wood,
You can see.
it's a wood planer, and first step is to clear the wood surface and make
Look
it square in
how
all side.
how dirty is its backside. We will clear and
i
clean this.
I found this wood uh, piece from the junk of shattering.
Please ignore the kids crying. This is our kids.
This is
They are playing.
these kids are the very
Yes.
terror type kids.
Yes. Don't ignore these kids crying
They
voice.
scared us by their voice and something else.
Now we are measuring the parts so to cut
we
it in from between.
we are sizing and marking the cutting area.
This wood will be cut in from in between the two pieces.
This line for cutting, measuring the cutting area, and the
Look
center
at
point is
the
for
points.
jointing like a hing.
Now we are cutting the.
Look at this. Wow, what a
This is
clear
really
cutting.
amazing and satisfying video you will ever watch. Don't forget to
This
subscribe us,
this is the
please.
very ancient trick of
Yes.
making this
Now look at.
wooden book stand. It's a holy book stand. It's
Yes,
called rail.
of course.
It's a it's Asian, Persian, and Arabic
Now
style book stand.
we will cut the crossed area. We are marking these areas to cut from to making a holy book stand.
I saw my grandfather first time he was making a book stand, and I was very
Yes.
clever. So I remember that it how he made and what was the process of making this type of wood.
Yes, only we are making these kind of technical videos
Only for
in
you,
on YouTube.
only
Don't
for your knowledge,
forget to
and
subscribe us.
we spread knowledge.
We are
We
not
are
here to making money. We are
we
to
are
spread
the
the knowledge.
we are we are yeah, very good for humanity.
Yes.
We are human friendly
Now
pupils, and we
look.
make video for human.
Yes, of course not.
We don't want to earn money by our videos. Please subscribe our channel and like and share our video.
Look at this sharp. क्या कहते हैं?
Chisel, it's a
Look.
wooden
हाँ.
chisel.
Look at this sharp chisel. We are too sharp to remove the extra wood part from.
You can
the wood.
look carefully what is the process of
Yes.
cheesing point,
Actually,
that
we
we
are
are removing
actually,
the
ma'am.
extra parts of.
Actually, we are making this video in English because the international market required English language.
Yes, yes. Otherwise I can make this video in Chinese.
Yes, we know the Chinese also. English is our English is very professional. That's why
We
we are.
are the professional English speaker in the world.
Yes.
Chong.
Don't forget to subscribe us, please. Now we are cutting these from the between with the saw. Now look at this. It is almost going to finish. Now we are opening it. It will be. Oh yes, this is great, amazing,
You can
just
see.
amazing.
Name. You can see how this one piece convert into the two different pieces,
my
and
God, this is
both pieces
completely
are joined
a
together.
satisfying video.
And this technique, you nobody can teach you this type of technique. Only we are
Now
giving you this talent.
This is the file to
Some
finish
finishing
some
and
areas.
filing required, and it will be clearly and move easily.
This is amazing. Technical videos of YouTube.
Nobody will give you this type of talent. Only we are the one who give free of cost. We don't
Just
need
we
money.
we need only subscriber. We
just
we had
subscribe
money.
our channel.
We don't like money. We like subscriber. Now we are cutting extra part.
We are giving it some beautiful look for its bottom, so you anybody can understand
Now
the
look
bottom and
this
the front top area.
Now look this satisfying part. How
Oh,
we will cut this
this
circle.
circular cutting is very hard, and need
Oh my
special
God.
kind of talent.
This is amazing. Only for this you can subscribe us.
How it's cutting
This is amazing.
curve.
I love this.
It's a very hard type of cutting. Nobody will
Yes.
give you this talent.
Just subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.
Oh wow,
This
look
is
at
amazing.
this.
This is one piece, no two or no joints.
It's come from the one piece of wood.
We made it on
Can you
with
imagine?
only one piece of wood, no joints.
Look at this.
This
It's
is
a very hard.
amazing.
It's very hard to make. Nobody will teach you. Only we teach you this
We
talent.
will make more videos like this in future
We
and coming week and
We
days.
sacrifice our hard working and efforts only for
This
you
is
and
only
your
for you
knowledge.
guys.
We are very
We
human
put
friendly
book. This
pupils.
is book stand.
This is the
You can-
Holy Book stand.
Yes, very famous in Asia and Middle East and in the world. Please subscribe us.